Happy World Books Day. Going back to high school with me after 6 years. Thank you, Amazon Web Services. We are putting here at the library. Thank you, Puan Zubaida. You're so great. You arrange and buy more books in science and tech that I appreciate so much.
Jadi nampak je buaya dalam tu.
Creative lah, cikgu. Ada. Cikgu beli banyak.
Yeah.
Thank you, Su Lao Shi, for your Chinese book rack. Thank you to all the amazing authors and also creators who actually let us have all these amazing books. And then we are creating like the future scientists, engineers, and great philosophers and thinkers and all that. Thank you. Thank you very much. Well, in this generation, maybe many people might be asking, like, why still reading when we could have like any type of information using the tools or any other things that we have. But the most important thing in this generation might be the ability to be able to question about the things that are the most suitable, the most helpful, and the most loving to us and for our growing civilization. So thank you very much for believing in wisdom, believing in love, and believing in everything that we could ever explore. With lots of love.